I have a challenge for you. Hit that like button,
Why you bully me?
smash that subscribe button, and also click notifications.
Or else.
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to the LEGO News. Today we have a very happy news. The FBI has caught the infamous killer, Granny. Let's look at the raid footage.
FBI, open up!
Meanwhile.
Wait, no, don't die. We had to go to the clothes market as there was a sale there tonight. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's see what the Lego City Mayor has to say about it. He is live.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
The Granny is still on the loose, so keep your children locked in.